Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janearl and I'm back with another video for you guys. So guys, this is a very old video. I just found out that I still had this video in my phone, and you know, as a content creator, no content is wasted. Yes guys, so I decided to share with you guys today. This is a video on how I make my baby's pancakes. It's just a 3-ingredient pancake. All you need are bananas, eggs, and oats. You can add milk if you want to, but I did not want to add milk to this. Even without milk, it's very, very delicious. You know, banana is very sweet, so it's very delicious, guys. So all you have to do is, mash up some bananas like you see me do. If you have a masher, you can use that. If you want to blend, you can blend it. No wahala. After blending, you just break 1 egg and mix it depending on the quantity you're making. So I was just making for my baby boy and for my daughter to take to school. So this quantity was enough. And after mixing 1 egg, all you have to do is, add your oats. So if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and be kind enough to click that subscribe button below this video to join the family. Do not forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my OGs, my old subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. Thank you for staying true. Thank you for watching my videos, for commenting. Thank you so much. I love you. So guys, I love blending my oats, especially when I was making it when Jaden wasn't 1 year. I usually blend the oats so that when I make it for him, it's not going to be so lumpy. So just add your oats, mix, and then you fry the pancakes. It's as simple as ABC. Yes, guys.
Do I don't wanna be the one who just keeps on chasing you, baby. Don't you know it's true? I'm not like the other girls, baby. Don't get it confused. You gotta work to call me your own. Ain't no doubt about it. Don't call me up when you feel alone. The attention, but you know I'm on a mission. Yeah, I know you love the attention, but I don't do second guessing. Yeah, you gotta work.
And there you have it, guys, the yummy and super healthy pancakes for your babies, toddlers, and adults. Like, everybody can enjoy this pancake. It's so delicious, it's so healthy. You all know the benefits of oats, the benefits of bananas and eggs. Oh my god, I cannot even say it all. Like, this pancake is super healthy, so you can make this for your babies from 6 months old. They can enjoy this. And if your kid has started eating from 4 months, so they can actually enjoy this, but be mindful, to prevent choking hazards. Yes, guys, so that is it. I'm just sharing it for my daughter to take to school as part of her snacks, and then I'm gonna be cutting up the rest for Jaden. I'll be cutting up in bite sizes, the sizes that he can hold in his hands, and just snack on it. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around till the end of this video. Yes, this video is not a long one, it's just a short one. Let me know if you're gonna be recreating this, or have you tasted this pancake before, and how did you enjoy it? Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around with me. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.